one of the biggest things is the support to work flexibly. So I'm based quite far away from the office, but I have full IT support to work from home. I can work any day of the week and any time during the day in my role, and that really helps me to perform better, but also to have healthier work-life balance and to juggle caring duties as well. So I'm very thankful for that.
PSOW helps to remove barriers for me to achieve my ambitions by continuously offering resources on equality, sustainability, and anything that can help our personal and professional development.
PSOW have been fantastic in removing barriers for me and for colleagues in the office. The flexible working arrangements we have allow us to ensure that we can deliver our roles and our responsibilities in line with other commitments we have. And also we have really supportive policies, for example, women going through the menopause or other difficulties that might arise and affect our day-to-day work. We're able to adapt and support staff in that way, and it's a fantastic opportunity for people to have that support from the office when they need it.